Okay, so I'm married to the trainer, and he gives me the lowdown on these stupid workouts before we start, and it's really brutal. I am. I'm complaining about the trainer. Say hi, this trainer. I don't want to know the workout before I start.
He's making us do really, really bad, mean things.
Anyway, so I'm getting ready to do a V-up. This is brutal. I'm really actually just trying to avoid it with the camera, so that's what we're doing. So here we go. V-up with count of 5 for 15. I don't even know if you can see what I'm doing, but here we go. A banana, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, down, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, down, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, down, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, up.
Diabolical Richard out
there. It is. I'm telling you, I can't handle listening.
So much pleasure from
when he tells me this last few times. I'm like, I really don't want to know.
I've never sweated as much as I did yesterday.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sweating.
When he told me about yesterday's workout, I was like, you're insane.
Yeah.
You are absolutely insane. With like a burpee every other move. Like, I was like...
I mean, I didn't get through the last round twice because it was 6:30.
Yeah.
I have to go.
Darn it.
Yeah, I have to go take my daughter to school. Give me the hell out of
I
here.
know.
Get me out of your torture chamber.
Woo! I don't even know how many I did. Yuck.